to prepare for that, AI can be the perfect sparring partner. The technique that helped me solve this comes from the military world, red teams. During the Cold War, armies created teams whose only job was to think like the adversary, not to attack, but to find vulnerabilities with how the team was thinking or preparing their solutions. In product, there are no adversaries. There are stakeholders who will bring their perspective by questioning your PRD. And to prepare for that, AI can be the perfect sparring partner. So how will you do it? First, create permanent custom agents, gems in Gemini, projects in Claude, or custom GPTs. The difference from loose prompts is huge. With a loose prompt, you have to write it again every time, quality varies, and you don't build memory. The custom agent has the personality encapsulated. Use it for PRDs, for roadmaps, for business cases, any artifact. I have created agents like the Red Team CFO, Red Team VP of Sales, and what I do is I configure them once and then reuse them to evaluate any artifact in 30 seconds. And while I do so, I also collect my understanding of that evaluation to improve the custom agent and add it more resources, more intelligence, and more of the personality of those adversaries as I move forward. Each agent also has a structure: role, personality, typical concerns, and expected. For example, the CFO is usually skeptical but constructive, numbers-oriented, conscious of the opportunity cost. Their typical concerns: ROI, aggressive projections, what happens if we don't hit the target. Instead, the VP of Sales has the same structure but with different things. It's deals-oriented, brings what customers ask for, skeptical of features that don't have a direct impact in revenue. Their concern is, how do I explain this in a sales call, more than the experience or the UI of the feature itself. So the process is simple. You complete the PRD as an input or any other artifact. You create these red teams per stakeholder, and they will execute the agent, and they will identify gaps and critical objections. With that, you can strengthen the PRD and prepare responses for those difficult conversations. Creating each stakeholder takes about 30 minutes, maybe 1 hour, and the objections it generates are the ones that will have come up in the real meeting, so you go better prepared for those questions and you have something to discuss and to share.